Good morning, everyone. How's it going? Never fear and Allory. How's it going? What's Despot game? So, remember I've been talking about ChaosBattle, which is evidently it's froze. But the thing I was hacking on last time, well, Despot's game is a finished version of what I want to do, except it lacks intelligence. I'm going to show you what I mean. We're going to play just a bit of this before I start hacking. But where'd my mouse go? There we go. So, there's a whole genre of games where you pick basically your NPCs, you arm them, and then you set them to battle, right? Oh, Seek and Story. All right, cool. Welcome back. Strategy game, yes. But the thing is, so this is like, one, this is beautifully done. The pixel art is incredible. Like, these little characters are so expressive considering their legs are 1 pixel wide. And you can tell that guy's got a crossbow, a shield, a sword. Like, One Punch Man is in here, and you can tell he's One Punch Man. So basically, this is a dungeon crawler, which is probably more than I'm trying to do the first round, but the idea is kind of like the other one. You'll have your NPCs, and then right now they'll battle. And I want to make it so you can train them to use power-ups, collect their own power-ups and all that stuff. And this one, you assign their power-ups, and then they'll go and battle it out. So right now, if I hit fight, there's the enemy, and they fight it out. Now, I don't do anything. My hands are off the keyboard. They're off the mouse right now. I just wait. And that's kind of, there's a whole bunch of these, like, totally accurate battle simulator. You pick your units, and you go. Well, the one I want to build is like that, except you train the neural nets that control these guys. So they will, like a power-up, maybe the sword will break. I should have durability or something on the things. And then they got to choose what to pick up next based on what's available in the battlefield. And that's all trained AI. So what do I got? I got a sword guy. Let's get that guy a sword. Yeah, I don't have any healers there. All right, that's fine. I'm going to go get some food first. Oh, I should have got the upgrade first. That was foolish. All right, fight. It's the same thing. I'm not touching it at all. But the thing is, like, the healers right now in this thing, in my opinion, the AI for the healers is incredibly poorly written. Like, I don't know what they're thinking, but they a lot of times do stupid stuff and send the wrong guys in there first. So I would like to fix that by giving people the ability to train their own neural nets. I'm only going to play the first level of this before we get back to hacking. Maybe I'll jump back and forth as more people pop on. Yeah, so that's the idea. But I'm not moving my mouse. I'm not hitting the button. They just go and attack. But, like, if your health got low, you should retreat. Like, I'd like to train them that. So the neural net would take in a factor if the health is below, you know, whatever. Ideally, it would retreat. So, I'm going to go with shooters. I haven't done that in a while. Ooh. So, today I'm hoping to add my tank class, because they do have, there's your basics, your tank class, your melee class, your projectile class, and there are healers, but we just haven't gotten any of them yet. So, yeah, that's the basic part of what I'm trying to do here. I'm going to go down and collect a power-up over here. So it wouldn't be as much of a dungeon crawler, but the cool thing is you could play against your friends. You could train your neural nets and play against your friends. You could do PvP. I think that'd be a lot of fun to have your trained neural nets fight your buddies in different scenarios. All right, I don't get to choose. What is this? Spiky armor, egghead. So there's an egghead class. I don't know if I'm going to go that crazy at the start, but we'll have our basic classes, and just like this one, they're all vanilla at first, and they go pick up a weapon. Now this one, once they're assigned a weapon, they're permanently assigned that weapon, and I don't like that as much. But you know, kind of that's the idea that the neural nets would make the decision, and you could have ones that are trained to pick up medical stuff and trained as healers. So you'd say, I want 3 healer neural nets and 3 tank neural nets and 1 melee neural net. So and then a projectile neural net. So that's kind of where I'm going with this. So that's the end of the first level there. I don't think we're gonna do any of this stuff to start, but it's all right. Wow, okay, I'm not reading any of this stuff. Ooh, I got some boot. No, that's not good. That was a debuff, I think. Oh no, all right, 20% the speed, yay. Will you wire in ChaosNet? Good question. I think I'm going to start with ChaosTrainer and possibly wire in ChaosNet. Yeah, I've been debating that. So first thing I need to do is, and I'm getting closer. This is Rogue C. Open project, Chaos Battle. Thought I already opened this up, but that's not good if it's Chaos Battle is just freezing for some reason. Hopefully it opens up. If you work on ChaosNet again, make it possible for the neural net to have multiple instances of a given type of neuron, even if it doesn't have observable attributes. You want to give me a little bit more? Oh no. I may have to restart. Force quit. Okay, we're just gonna try and exit all of Unity. Great. Would not be a schematical live stream without a ton of technical difficulties. How do streamers do this? Where just, oh, everything just works. I mean, I'm sure there's like tons of videos of streamer fails. Let's see if there's anything that looks like it's Unity running. How did I get to that screen? What the heck? That's not good. Okay, well, we're going to start Unity again. If nothing else, I guess I'll just play Despot's game for a bit. Sounds great. Are you injecting the DLL files in the game? Oh, never mind. They probably have a back team. I'm not actually modding Despot's team. I'm actually doing my own. Process. All right. Okay, I need to get the task manager, and that's on another screen, so I've got to turn this off while I go grab it. I'll be right back. I'm sorry. Close. Oh my god, this is happening all over. Close. And that's not it. God, I really hope that this is not. Alright, screen's back. Oh my god, I almost hit the stop streaming button. This is a mess. It's all types of a mess. Okay, I'm gonna end task on Unity Hub. You're all getting force canceled. There we go. I'll even quit Docker. I don't think that's it. But Docker's still running. Evidently, I got 2 instances OBS. I don't see anything that looks like it's Ubuntu, or not Ubuntu, Unity. Jeez. So hopefully we can do that. In the meantime, I guess I'm gonna buy a tank and play one more round of this while we wait for that to boot up. I got 31. I should buy some more stuff. Let's upgrade that. There we go. Now I got a healer. These guys are nifty. They like the one class. I guess them and tanks I seem to be my favorite classes. Alright. Unity did start. Okay, come on, come on. Nothing could be used in that process. Alright, well, it's booting up. Let's fight it out. Doggo Cam, she is sleeping right now. I don't know if she's feeling that well. So we took her to the dog park yesterday. A lot of fun. A lot of fun. So here you need food. So I like the idea of somehow like doing some asset management. Did I forget to assign the healer his stuff? Okay, well, that was foolishness. All right, have you booted yet? Mother, sweet mother of pearl. What is it? Ryder? Ryder should be dead. Where's my task manager? PHP Studio, One Studio. It must be Ryder that's holding on to it, but I don't see its process. When in doubt, restart. All right, everybody. I am so sorry. I will be right back. First, let me answer these questions. Like a bias input, for example, only involves one instance since it doesn't have the observable attribute. You want more bias inputs? We could probably do that. That sounds good. How do you find these type of games? This one I heard from Splattercat Gaming. All right, I gotta restart this computer. I will be right back, people. I am so sorry. This is a mess. No, don't update and restart. It'll take all day. Hey everyone. It looks like it's opening. I had to restart there. Massive mess. Gotta love Windows. Back. Good. Wonderful. For some reason, I disabled Razer, but it's still showing up as an option now. So I have to figure out how to uninstall that because it just makes a bunch of noise. Importing, busy for 54 seconds. Alright, well that does that. Why not play some more Despot's game? I'm messing around with Beam MG, but I don't have that game yet. Yeah, this one was on sale, and it's by an indie studio, and the pixel art's just so beautiful. Yes, a classic stream. And now Steam's not booting up. Oh, there goes Steam. Finishing okay. Well, looks like we're actually getting there. Yeah. Despot's game. The Undungeon's got good pixel art too, but I don't think it's quite polished enough. It needs to be more balanced. Thought about submitting this game if this works to Tiny Build. That'd be kind of cool. Like, I guess when it's more polished than it is. Watching the art on my game compared to this game, especially because I haven't even optimized it. Wow, I totally just lost my game there. We're going to play with a different batch of people, though. Let's see. So this is a healer and a sword guy. We're going to start with that one. Alright, did we boot? We just installed that. Alright, one round of this, and then we're going to go over there. Get him. You heal, healer. And they got mana, so I think mana would be another cool thing to have. I haven't added that one yet. But, oh, it's over there on that screen. Okay. Let's see where we left off. These things, so there's a bug where they get stuck in an attack phase and they can attack a bunch. So this is my game that I made. Those are my pawns, we'll call them. Yeah, see, they can over attack a little bit. See that guy right there got stuck in a crazy attack mode? So I gotta fix that, and we'll add a shield. I added in, so this guy is holding the bucket, and I should have done the pixel art for this thing at some point. I didn't even think of that. Like a little bit like Binding of Isaacs. The other game, kinda, yeah, it's got some roguelike to it. This one I want to focus more like Battle. What's the one? Battle. This guy's healing himself. I think he's stuck in a super heal. Yeah, the fact he's unkillable. So the healers can heal themselves now, and unfortunately, they can heal as fast as the attackers because of that glitch. So I think we got to fix that glitch before we move forward. So basically, I need to just turn off the Windows bar unless I actively click on it. Let's see, scripts. So they've got action. So basically, I'm making it like neural net. So the neural net will select the action, kind of like we did with Chaos Craft. Never fear, you'll remember this one. But add a cooldown to attack. It's unfortunately not listening. It bypassed that. I added it so there's a cooldown there. It's going to take 10 minutes for rider, but it's got a wind up, an acting, and a cooldown. The acting should happen for 1 frame, but there's a bug in there where it gets stuck. Blood particles, yeah, and then there's healing particles, but they seem to be ignoring whatever color I assign it. So I don't know. I need to go in there and figure out what's up with that. I don't care for now. I just basically want to know that they're getting a hit. So I got a little knockback, and they got, there's supposed to be 1 particle for each HP that they lose. They have 100 HP, and they get struck for 5 HP per attack, I think, right now. So, yeah. But if you look, they've got these phases, which is navigate, wind up, hit, and cooldown, activate, cool, whatever. So the activate, actually acting, that works as well. Let's see. Let's take a look. What is this? Change the version control? Get out of here with that. Show me package. Nope. Assets. Scripts. Actions. Okay, so each item has these attributes. So we got to actually go to entities, items, melee. You know what? Okay, that's probably it. That's supposed to be 2. I can't remember how many ticks per second we've got, and this should probably be a fixed update. But attack, wind up. Let's do the wind up at 10. I think. Oh wait, did I do that in seconds? Let me double check, because I may have done that in seconds. Let's take a look real quick. Yes, I might be thinking in ticks, because I usually do that for JavaScript. Use primary action item. Yeah, okay, never mind. It is doing it in seconds there. So something's beeping at me, and I have no idea what it is. It's really annoying. You know what? I might not be resetting these. No, it's getting set at the beginning. That's when the action's initialized. And they're both getting set to wind up, though. But that should still do it. So if wind up duration is less than or equal to 0, it transitions to acting. Acting should only add, do 1. So that basically does. Let's see. Do we have? This one have a phase navigating? I don't know if it does. That might be it. Okay, but we overrode that. So basically, navigate to action, primary action extends navigate to action. So we overwrite the end navigation that transforms to wind up. So that might be it. That might be the problem, but that still doesn't explain how fast they're attacking. Let's see. All right. What I'm going to do is I need to add a phase for this probably. Navigating. Let's see if. No, we will add that. Hold on. So I'm extending the phase navigating here, and this will be navigate to. Bought a new mouse, and I cannot get the sensitivity right to save my life. And then we'll do this, and we'll do this, and we'll do. So you probably ought to go move that to here. If there we go. Okay, and we'll just add a little extra check here. If there we go. And we'll move on. All right, that might fix our problem. Might. It might blow up in my face. Might. So, what are you guys all up to this beautiful Saturday morning for me? Cold Embrace, I'm guessing it's evening there, but probably not. Probably Saturday evening, not. Or is it Friday evening? No, it can't be Friday evening. I don't know. Okay, look for where they do the spin out attack like it's crazy. Are they doing that? I don't see it. Look at those particles. They're down to just the right amount of particles. I think we may have fixed it. Wow. Thank you, something, for going right. So their body should turn a little bit more red. I need to spend some time. It's evening for you. 9 p.m. Saturday. Okay. That's what I thought. So, some good attacks here. Okay, so I'm guessing the healers are healing them as fast as they can. This guy's turning pretty red. This guy's screwed. I think he's just doing a random navigate because he's got no weapon. So, greens can attack each other. If they're hitting each other, it probably is actually an optical illusion. They're not. They can't really turn around and face other directions. So is a pathfinding algorithm AI, or is it a neural net, or is it? It is right now. It is the A-star algorithm. I do plan, and again, I've got to make this function first, and then I can get fancy with it. But I do plan on making an AI that will kind of do like the A-star. Will feed in each block. So say this guy is standing here, and then we'll feed in all the blocks around it. We'll say the destination's over here. Then we'll run that all four. I guess would be, you just say eight blocks around it through the neural net. It'll rank them. It'll pick the best one. Then it'll pick of the next ones. It'll pick, and I think it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because these have already been evaluated. It'll pick its favorite from there and go from there. So we can feed in like, is lava. All right, we got a guy that went down. These guys are healing themselves probably as fast as these guys are attacking, so that's going to be kind of pointless. I should put like a penalty on it. If you're healing yourself, it's not going to be as effective. That'd be a good one. All right. So this is good. Let's go ahead and add another class on this thing first. So where'd you go? There we go. You're already there. All right. So what we need to do first is look at my sprites and see if I've got anything that looks like a shield in there, because I haven't drawn a shield yet. I like using silly things like rats or something like that as placeholders until I actually do the art for it. Laser cat, do we have any sprites in there? I could use a pickle. Yeah. I guess I could use the squashed ball too, or just the regular ball. All right, yeah, we're just gonna use the regular ball. So, well, also there's something over here in the zombie thing. Anything? A tire? That'd be kind of fun. Yeah, let's use the tire. All right. So we need to create a new prefab. I think it's got to be a new game object here. Okay, and this is going to be shield armor objects. Eventually I want to make it so there's also they can pick what they're wearing in some capacity too. Also, that seems like there's too much knockback. I can dial that back. That's a good point. I just started with it because I thought it'd be funny. Sometimes it's like crazy amounts of knockback. Shield item. I'm just gonna go with that. I've been trying to categorize them, but all right. You need a sprite renderer. We're gonna select. What is going on? It's just, I don't know why the bar decides it's gonna pop up at random times. All right. Shield item. All right, so that's going to be that. We're going to need a... I'm trying to remember what we did for the other one. Get out of there. I hate the Windows bar. Get out of there. All right, box collider, sprite renderer. I think that's it. Oh, no, wait. Rigid body and the item we're going to do. I don't think we need a particle system. I think I want to make it so the shield can stun too, but I'm just going to... Let's just go one step at a time. We need a box collider. And we need a rigid body. And then we're gonna, I guess we'll add it, we'll create it over in Rider first. Project Zombo would be a fun one to try AI with as well. I agree. That is a crazy one. So the thing is, I'm with Chaoscraft, I realize just the limitations of modding someone else's game. So it's like I kind of want to make a game that's designed for neural nets, because modding someone else's game to have neural nets, there's such limitations. You know, who could own what, and you know, it was a pain. All right. Let me see. Items, NPC, items, add directory. We're just gonna copy the healing item for now. I think, I don't know if we need both or just one. I guess we could have different types of shield. All right, that's fine. So we're gonna go F6. Oh wait, that's right. This is not like the other ones. Chaos shield item. And let's just call it a tire shield. That's what we'll do. We'll rename that thing to tire shield. All right. All right. That's good. It's good. I don't know. I'll just, I will put a particle system on it. Screw it. All right, true, but more time is spent making necessary before even working on an AI, so it's a trade-off. I know. I would love to write a game that actually sells. So I don't know. I don't know if I can do that as a mod. So just think that'd be a bit crazy. All right, we're gonna turn off. Well, first we're gonna scale it down. Scale down. Start speed. Search size. There we go. 0.1. And I'm gonna do this as like a stun thing or something. So let's looping delay. Star color. Are you gonna actually listen to me? Let's find out. You're gonna be a light blue. Yep, light blue. Nope. Yep, not at all. It doesn't work with it all. All right. Cool. So we're gonna put that in the prefabs. We're gonna change that to tire shield item. That's kind of funny to me. I realize it's not insanely funny. I'm gonna delete that. We're gonna add that to the game holder. No, to the game manager, prefab manager. There we go. Shield, add it in there. And let's make it so it can be generated. this in chaos level, which I don't have open. Seeking story. How did you get into AI? I'd love to hear the story. Well, I've been in tech my entire adult life. I've been a web application architect for I don't even know how many years now, many years. And I just saw that AI was the way to go, and I've been in gaming even longer. That's actually funny. That's how I learned to program. And yeah, so it kind of was a natural flow for me because AI is where the industry is going. Like, I hire and run teams of people. And hold on one second. Got another AI thing, so sorry about that. So either way, I learned to program by taking apart games. So that's where the gaming thing came into play. So thank you for the question. Control Shift V. There we go. That's what I'm trying to paste. So, all right, and we're gonna go 0 to 7 now, and that should put in the shield item. Hi, Shay. Shay's up and walking about now. So yeah, it's just the future. Programming and tech, you just got to be in on it. So, all right, so we want to make it so instead of healing them, we've got to change a different stat there. So, let's see. All right. Yeah, that's not. I wish that would change the particle system. All right. Yeah, we don't need that either then. So we're gonna add another stat. We're gonna call it one. This needs to give the holder armor somehow. So I gotta think about how to do that. But let's just focus on the stun for now. So it's easy. Let's create that. Great. Now there's a stun duration. I guess we'll add an NPC stun counter. Let's see. Oh, I guess really going into Robot Future like the game of Detroit Becomes Human. You know, it scares me, and I wouldn't put it in charge of like missiles or armies or anything like that, like in real life. But in a game, you know, I don't even like it being in charge of some of my server scaling, but it's fine. All right. So we're gonna make it so if they're not alive, let's see. If get stat val chaos stat type stun duration is greater than 0. I think what we'll do is we're gonna int. It's actually gonna be a float stun duration equals, because we're gonna use it a couple times. Stun duration is greater than 0, then stun duration minus time dot delta time, and we need to set it comma good set. And then I think, is there anything else we need to do? Current action. What's this one here? Okay, we can put that up at the top before this. All those ticks need to happen. All right. So we could do this as a. We could change their. Well, that's fine. We'll just leave them stunned. That's good. That was actually pretty quick to do. Why is there red in here? What is red? There we go. So, you guys got any fun plans for this weekend? Do anything cool? Getting into trouble? Staying out of trouble? Let's add these to Git. What the? It's not what I. Oh, this mouse is just driving me nuts. Let's see. Chaos entity, tire shield. Okay. So we need chaos shield item. Instead of take damage, let's see, we're going to do take stun, which doesn't exist yet. And we're going to do stun duration. Stun duration. All right. Do we set the stun duration? Stun duration 15. That's too long. Let's go 5. And this should be an area effect attack, but we're not there yet. We're just going to. Okay, no, we don't. Let's see. I think we just need to set val. I don't think we need to do anything fancy here. We're just going to set it to whatever the stun duration is. All right, and we're going to add a little AI for him for now. Where is the AI? So I've got this brain here, and this is not ML, not trained AI. This is like classic video game AI. But, okay. Okay, this is good. It'll stun. All right, they already set to stun the enemy, or use the item in the enemy. That's fine. Okay, let's see if this blows up. Let's see. Never fear. Meeting my friend tomorrow after a while. That's good. It's good that people are getting back to see their friends. It's kind of, this whole thing's been pretty long and tedious. But nothing else. Good to spend time with friends. I got at 1 o'clock here. I got to go spend some time with a friend. I got to. I'm fortunate enough to be able to see a friend. Wow. Okay, that did not blow up. Nothing. No prefab with name Chaos Shield item. Did I put that? I got it. I should. It's tire shield item. I knew it. Where's the level? Chaos level. Tire shield item. I didn't know it. All right, and seeking story. Well, my pre-academy will start again tomorrow with a different language than the one I speak with. Dare I ask what the language you speak with is and what language it's going to be in? I am curious. Oh wow, it's not going well. Tires having fun. Init level cast. Give me 98. 98. What do we got? Okay, there we go. That's what I need to do. Why is the console there? It's not where the console's supposed to be. My 98 again. Did I forget? I forgot to add it to the item, probably. Some of the guys are functioning. That's great. Okay, console's back to where it should be. Tire shield item. Add component. Tire shield item. You speak Arabic. And the pre-academy lessons will be in Hebrew, no place for English. Ah. Well, I can program in a bunch of languages, but heck if I can speak anything. I got a little bit of Spanish. I can swear and toast in a couple other languages. Wow. I forgot to... Hold on, we're doing that again. We're going to record. Okay, stream might get a little weird while I'm trying to record this. You don't turn off the gravity on the collider. Oh, wait, no, the rigid body. Whatever. It's great there on the hinge joint, too, so it's just kind of dangling there. I like that. But that's not fair, so we're going to fix it. It's in here. You're learning Japanese. That's awesome. Let's see. But in real life, it seems more interesting than just supervised learning. Wait a minute. Oh, I missed one of your things. Sorry. I kind of want to make a transformer to make an AI play DST. I don't know what DST is. I have a bunch of scenarios in the game. I can record key phrases for the agent to mimic. Transformers should produce interesting results. You posted a link recently that I was reading up on. I forgot to post back. About Transformers. It was self something. I can't remember. All right, gravity scale. You're off. Freeze rotation for now. All right, cool. All right, now I'm gonna see if they actually stun each other. Buffering. That's just, sorry, the recording just kept going. Sorry. I should probably put a knockback on that stun too. It looks like they're trying to stun him, but the stunning's not working. Okay, you're right. We're gonna dial back that knockback a little bit. All right. Hopefully I'm back. All right. Cast level. Okay, shield item. We need the melee, so we can dial back the knockback there. So it's at 5. We're going to drop it back to 2, and we're going to copy it and put that in the shield item. Stun durations in seconds, and that's 5. All right. I don't know what's going on here. Let's do an internet speed test on this thing. So I'm exiting this so I can speed up the game. All right. Turn off gizmos. Looks like I got pretty decent internet. I don't know what's going on. It's okay now? Alright. Just the one. Alright. So that guy's trying to stun him. There's a little knockback. I think he's got that guy successfully. Now that guy's healing. Okay, what we're going to do is we got to turn this off. We're going to put a breakpoint in there to make sure that the take stun thing is actually doing its job. Is it? Let's see. Chaos. NPC entity. Did we see that hit at all in the console? Take stunned? Stunned 5, okay. Maybe we'll just add a debug log in there. Return, Matt. Return. Clearly I misspelled duration down here. All right. Let's rerun that thing. I should make them sideways while they're stunned. That might be funny. You could clip videos directly from the stream on YouTube. You can. I know, but then I gotta go find it. It takes forever. All right. I kind of want to make them so that'd be funny. See them go sideways while they're stunned. They all got tires. Wait, how is that guy losing health? There's no one with a weapon around him. Stun 5, damage, health 5, stun. So they should be echoing if the stun. Oh. Come on. I was setting the health to be wrong. Let's see. Take damage, mark dead. Whatever. Stun duration, okay. Let's see. I think it's going to be rigid body. Rigid body 2D dot rotation equals, I don't know, math dot, I think it'd be like, is that in degrees? I'm not actually sure. We'll find out. They'll be crooked. Equals 0, and we'll set this to, now this is not good coding here. This is, I'm just gonna go set this to 0. There we go. This is clip gets stored on your. Oh wait, you could clip the videos. You can. Yeah, it's been around for a while. Wait, so is there a button on this? So I'm in the YouTube studio over. Wow, over here. Add stream marker. That probably would do it. All right. Well, someday I'll figure this thing out. There's a reason I haven't blown up on YouTube. It's because I'm not good at this. Man, that neat AI guy went from 1,000 to 10,000 subs and is already making money in like a month. It's like, dude. There we go. I got to put a bigger cooldown on that. Because he's just going to keep stunning that guy. Okay, he stunned him in the middle of an action and an attack. And the attack just kept going. He did it again. You Shay back there? She's found something. All right, let's put a bigger cooldown on this thing. Let's see, chaos shield item. We're gonna put a range of 2, wind up of 2, cooldown of 5. For some reason, oh, okay. I'm like, some reason his wind up's still going, but I need to turn off the motor on his arm when they. Oh, this guy's probably gunning for that. Let's turn back on gizmos and see if. Yeah, he is trying to pick up that other item. Where'd the healers go? Did I somehow screw up and make it so there's no healers? I might have. Let's take a look. No, I didn't. They should still be in there. YouTube is kind of dependent on luck. I know, the luck of the algorithm. I honestly don't have an insane amount of time yet. So. The stunners are just stunning them. They should be able to get up after a second. They're healers, though. It's possible it's timing it perfectly, so it doesn't. Let's see. I'm going to make this a little less hacky, but I think it's going to come back and bite me in the butt when I forget that I can't rotate these things later. Okay, let's try this again. A lot of it's figuring out the algorithm, length, thumbnails, user engagement, audio as well. Your videos just have super low volume? Really? I've got this. You can't see me right now. Here, now you can see me. I think. No, you can't see me? Oh, no? Wait, it's behind the display capture. Get up there. Wow, it's taking over the whole screen. Just go over here. I don't like having my face on camera. I forget that I'm on camera. But I've got this really nice microphone set up. Why? Okay, no, actually it's fine. I don't know why. I don't know what's going on with it. I paid a lot for this thing. I mean, I think I paid like $90, but all right. Let's get my ugly face out of there. So, all right. I don't know what happened there. Something happened. Oh, I think it just reloaded. Is it the older videos that's low? Like, I go through and watch them. What's up, Shay? Oop, I think she's got to go out. We may have to take a little, oh, maybe not. Never mind, she's just barking someone doing yard work. Can you hear her in the background there? Shay! Sorry. Whoa, that was a pretty heavy knockback there. There's these two guys just in the bottom fighting it out to the death. I mean, I think that guy's just perpetually stunned. These two just wandering around. All right, we're going to try this again. I am using the same seed stuff I used in in Rogue C, but yeah, okay, I need to turn off that emitter turned off by default. Okay, so he's stunned, but he should be getting back up. I need to make a debug screen where I click on it. Right now I have max volume. In OBS, I got this thing cranked up. I don't know, I do meetings with this thing all the time. I don't know. Check the orientation. I don't know. Yeah, I do meetings with this mic like all day long. All last week I was on phone calls for probably damn near 6 hours a day. No one says that there's an issue there, so it's weird. It's specific to OBS. Oh, he stunned him from a distance. That shouldn't be possible. And then he pulled him into him, it looked like? I don't know. Yeah, he's stun locked that guy. Condensers might have specific directions in which they pick up sounds. Yeah, I guess I do turn my head quite a bit. I don't know. I know audio is one of the big things you got to have right on YouTube. Maybe I got to get one of those headset mics. This shouldn't be, because he should get back up there. As I see, the stun duration is counting down. Oh, okay. We're gonna make that cooldown a little bit higher, just mainly for debugging purposes, because he shouldn't just be able to keep him stunned. Shield item. Let's make the wind up 5. I don't know. O'Shea. I think she knows. She's learned that if I'm talking into this microphone, because like I said, I'm in meetings and stuff, she can get away with more stuff. Shay! No. He just karate chopped the item. Are these two just stunning each other or trying to stun each other? I don't know. I think the next thing I need to add is a debug one. I gotta get bands for my shock mount of my mic. I don't use it. My mom does it for singing though. Nice. Is there singing online? I'm curious now. I want to like listen to it. Post a link. What's she sing? Okay. So a debug screen would be what I need to do next. So we're gonna do what I do everything is rip stuff out of the other projects where I actually learn this stuff. So open project. Rogue C. Oh man, I'm running out of time today. Too much to do, too little time. USB mic, or do you use an interface? This is going through a USB, but it's got the fancy microphone input in the back end, and I've got the cord for it, but I'm running it through USB right now. I don't have that fancy of a setup. I'm tempted to upgrade, but I guess if I had more time, but then I'd have less income, so then I don't know. It's just the chicken and the egg with this thing. Should I consult more? I don't know. Okay, Rogue C. Don't burp into the mic, man. All right. I don't know if we need this. We need a game holder, mouse sprite, canvas. Here we go. Side panel, dialog panel. The direct transform image, basic panel, dialog panel. I don't remember at all how I did this thing. Main camera. Top bar panel, there we go. Rect transform, canvas render, script, background. I don't know. I feel like we should be opening up old chaos file. Okay, hold on. First, we're going to fix the darn. Where's the start? Start, delay, activate, something like that. Play on activate. Get out of here with that. There we go. Save. All right. So can I just post this? Where would I? It was in Canvas. I cannot just post that. Okay. Well, we're gonna do it the hard way. Add new, no, it's not it at all. Game object, UI, canvas, rect transform, that's right. Good. Overlay, display one, nothing. Canvas size. Okay, and then you have a menu manager script. Okay. So we're gonna do that. I think these are all panels. It's canvas and panel. So UI, panel. Great. What are we going to call this one? Debug panel. No. Let's see. NPC. No. Chaos entity detail panel. All right. So is there just a panel over the screen now? Well, let's find out. Yes. Okay. I think on the islands I made them clickable. So if we look at the island object, no, maybe I didn't make them clickable. I did make something clickable in that game. I wish I could remember what this rewind editor did. That'd be nice. Looking it up. Just Indian songs. Not on. Hold on. USB. Not online. Just random recording on the computer. Just Indian songs. Cool. My buddy Kartik, he's came over here for his doctoral stuff from India. Born and raised. I don't remember which province, but good guy. Be having a beer with him tonight, probably. Good guy. So he's going for machine learning, actually. So we have some interesting conversations. I haven't actually talked to him about this project at all yet, but I probably should. Unity, detect, mouse, click. There we go. Get input, get mouse down. No, that's probably not it. Yeah, no, I want to detect if you click on a game object. There you go. No, not 3D. So long I'm reading this tutorial, I guess you're welcome to read along. I just don't remember what it was. Yeah. That seems like a lot of hassle for. Let's go back and just get the 2D version of that. High pointer click handler. There we go. That seems familiar. Chaos. We're going to do that on the chaos entity level. So I can click on any entity and get its stats and all that. Okay. Cool. So, I think we got to add something for the menu. We're going to just go. We're going to create a UI and. Wait, no, we need a folder called UI. Shay. All right, I think I'm going to have to take her outside, so we got a couple of minutes. She hasn't rung the bell yet, which is what she's supposed to do, but I got a feeling it's coming. And then I'm going to have to end this because I need to go work out before I meet up with my buddy. But maybe I'll do some streaming tomorrow. Maybe not. We'll see. And class interface. What do we want to call that? Oh, we need. What do we call it in the other one? Call it main menu something. Main menu holder. Canvas. Main menu. Menu manager. We'll do that. You know what? What am I doing? I'm just making my life tougher. No, I'm making my life tougher again. Scripts. UI. Menu manager. Copy. Paste. Add. Ignore. Okay, and then we're going to call the other one. Let's just grab the top bar button. Top bar. Let's go with the dialogue one. That one sounds interesting. Why don't I finish these things? Oh, that's right, because I go to paying gigs. What do we call that one? NPC, no, Chaos Entity Detail Panel. You can. I just realized I still have that tab up with the mice stuff. Sounds like a North Indian name. I think it's Karthik is how it's supposed to be pronounced, but it's spelled Kartik. And there is the dog asking to go out. So with that said, we got an hour and 15 minutes, and it wasn't all junk. Thank you all for joining. Hopefully, we'll get to the AI stuff, because now we've got 3 classes, and they can actually battle. So that's kind of cool. Never Fear, Cold Embrace, Seeking Story. Thank you guys for joining. I know I listed that like you guys different guys. You have different aliases, but that's fine. All right. Have a good one. Have a good weekend. Enjoy hanging out with your friends, and I'll be around. Bye.